Assalamu alaikum, grade 10 computer science students. We will start lesson number 8, and this lesson is about functions of an operating system. Let's start. So main functions or tasks or jobs of operating system. This is a very important topic, and I have seen the questions from this and the CIE exam papers. So you need to thoroughly understand it, and that's why I have prepared a separate lesson for it so that you have enough time to understand. First one, it provides interface for user to interact with the computer or interaction with the hardware. So let's suppose we have a hardware here and we have a user here. So look here, this user can interact with the computer or hardware only through operating system. If the user want to save something, delete something, general things, so it will use the operating system. But if the user wants to do something specific, like want to type a letter or want to listen to music, then it will use application software as well. But again, application software cannot be used without operating system. So if the user want to interact with the hardware, operating system is always there to help out. It manages the hardware and peripherals that are connected to the computer. What it means, all computer parts that are there, input devices, output devices, or storage devices, they are collectively called peripherals. So all these devices are managed by the operating system. The operating system, if you want to send the data to the printer, so operating system is there to help you out. If you want to save the data on a USB flash drive or hard disk, so operating system is there. What else? It manages memory for different programs or application. The user can do or run many programs at the same time on the computer. You can work in Microsoft Word, you can write an email, you can open a browser to search for something on internet. So how it's possible? It's possible because the operating system shares the memory for all these active programs or applications. Not only this, for each of these applications or programs, you need the CPU time as well, or the processing time for these applications is again managed by the operating system. So what operating system do, if you want to do to run more than one program, then operating system will give the CPU time and the memory that is required for each application. Moving ahead, it manages security for the computer. Many people can access the same computer or the same server. Like you have email accounts, so the Gmail server can be accessed by many people who have email account. Likewise, if you have a computer server in a school or hospital, so all the people working may have their own user IDs and password. So these logins or IDs and passwords are managed by the operating system. Not only this, you can have a firewall or antivirus software for cleaning the viruses, and firewall is for blocking the illegal access to your computer. So again, it is managed by the operating system. It manages file handling, for example, storing, deleting, and moving of files, also rename a file or creating folders. All these things are done by the operating system. And you may be feeling that how computer will do it. You are not concerned how the computer will do it for you, because the operating system will make it possible, and through operating system commands the user is able to do the file management. It manages utility software such as disk defragmentation and disk formatting software. Okay, disk formatting first. You know, when you have a disk, you cannot use it until you format it. Format means that the disk is divided into properly places where it can store data. So until you format a disk, you cannot save anything on the disk. And disk fragmentation means that you have free spaces in different locations. So all the free spaces are grouped together, and all the similar files are collected together. Like you see here, the yellow shows some files are stored at different locations. The green one is also stored at different location, and the other one. So in this defragmentation, the files that are stored at different locations are collected together. So what it means, then when you are running these files, the computer speed improves. The computer will run these files at better speed, because now the computer is not going to look for this file at different location. It's at same location. The other thing is you have now more free space, and it can be used for some other files. This concludes our today's lesson. If you have any question regarding this lesson, you can send your message on the WhatsApp number. Thank you.